Hi and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today we are going to do a new pick a card reading asking spirits and guides the messages from your divine what regarding your situation, messages from the divine regarding your situations. These are timeless readings, so if you are drawn to one, they are meant for you. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if it resonates you can put comments in the comment section below. If it doesn't resonate, please see to other pile. There are 3 piles, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3, showing the smileys here. Let's begin with the reading. Please pick one group with your intuitive powers and whichever you are drawn to. Let's start with group 1. Welcome group 1, this is your reading and we'll start with the tarot. Let's see what are the messages and situation. Already we have 2 cards. I will not be doing reversals, so let's see. This is 9 of swords and 10 of swords. First 2 cards out, 9 of swords and 10 of swords. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's see for pile number 1. Too many cards. Okay. Advice for group 1, pile 1. Message. What is the situation right now for group 1 people, past, present and future? What is the situation for group 1 people, past, present and future? Okay, we have 6 of Pentacles, Judgment, Princess of Pentacles, that is the Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, then we have 7 of Cups and 7 of Swords. Okay, what I can see from here is you are thinking about this connection from the past. You are stuck on this person and you are constantly thinking about them. This is to the level that you are losing your sleep at night and you are feeling very defeated in this regard. You feel there is no equal give and take. You know the situation, there is no equal give and take in this connection, and you feel and you are waiting for the result. I think you want to move forward very strongly. Still you have no idea about this person, what is he doing and what he or she is doing right now. You are totally out of connect with them. You don't know what's happening. You yourself have blocked the connection, but still you want to know what is the future of this. Though you have already made up your mind that you are not going to, you have like given your judgment here that I am not going towards them, but still you want to, still you are thinking about them, thinking about the connection. It is just like as if you want it and you don't want it, both ways. You want a closure on this connection so that you can move forward, but they have not given you any closure. They have kept you in a standstill, like you have no answers. They have just left you in a place where you don't know whether they are coming back or they are gone forever. Right now you are trying to focus on your Pentacles. You are trying to focus on your work, and you are trying to build something which can, but you have a lot of options which are keeping you, again they are keeping, these options are keeping you in a fix that should you move forward or you should wait for this connection which is there in the past. You are just not ready to move. You are giving them a benefit of doubt, I guess. This is clearly you are giving them a benefit of doubt. You have options, people are interested, there are people who want to come forward and be with you, but you are there stuck in a place where you don't want to. You are not being true to yourself. You are stuck very badly. Let's see. I will try to clarify few of these. Okay, we have a flipper. We have 3 cards which are flipped. So let's see. We have Page of Wands, 2 of Cups, and again we have the Judgment. We have Judgment twice. This time it's clarifying the 6 of Pentacles. You are going to get a closure. Surely you have the Page of Pentacles again. Sorry, this is Knight of Pentacles. The Prince of Pentacles is the Knight. It's a Knight energy. Okay. We have the Temperance, the Page of Cups. Then we have the Knight of Cups. Then we have the Princess of Pentacles, that is the Page of Pentacles. And we have the Magician. So, they have not given you a closure because they are manifesting you. They have sneaked out in the past. They have not given you right answers what they want, but right now they are in a magician phase where they want to manifest this connection. Though it's a page energy, Princess of Pentacles, they are working towards it. It's a small energy which you can't feel right now. You are guided to be in a, they're trying to balance things right now in their own environment. They can't come towards you, but they have love for you. They are also in a state of 10 of Swords where they don't know what to do. Very much in fix. They're very much in their head. Just like you both are. I think you both are mirroring each other, and you can't. You don't know. Both of you don't know where the connection is going, but they want to work towards it. Prince of Cups, they have love for you. They are going. They have a 2 of Cups and Prince of Cups are both in the same line. They are telling that they have love, but the offer is small. The offer is very small. It might be just a message from them that they are with you and they are working on this connection, but still you have the Page of Pentacles here says that if you have options, you can move forward. Let's see what the guidance for you. Let's see what is the divine telling. We'll take few advices from. First we'll pull out few cards from the Power of Love activation cards. Let's see what is the advice. Ownership. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them all as lessons. There's a message for you here. They are asking you to take ownership of your mistakes, of whatever acts you have done. This may be either ways. This may be for you or for your person. Or you have to take your ownership of your things you have done in the past. Maybe which will help you through this connection. Okay, the next card out is Spontaneity. You move beyond the constraints of the mind and freely and lovingly embrace new situations. This is advice from your guides, spirits and guides. You have to move forward regardless of this connection. You have to work towards your future. See into the options you have. Let's see what are the whispers of love telling you. Let's see what are the messages from the divine for you and your person and your situation from the whispers of love. Okay, the first card out is, we have two cards already. The heart of matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. The heart of matter. There is something you actually know. You have to wait for them or you have to move forward. You know it. The divine is guiding you to look into the heart of the matter. There is more is going on which you are not able to see, or you are ignoring. You are denying yourself that you don't want to see the truth, maybe. Okay, the next card out is I love you. These are powerful words. I love you. This is divine guiding you, trying to tell you, look inside, go inside, see what you want exactly. Okay, the next is power of surrender cards. Let's see what is the guidance for you. What is that you have to surrender regarding your situation? What is that you have to surrender regarding this situation? Okay, we have surrender to rest and sleep. To prevent burnout, slow down, honor your needs for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body and spirit. You have to rest yourself. You have to rejuvenate yourself, rest yourself, take time out of work and reconnect with yourself. Okay, we will take one more card. The next card out is surrender negative thinking. You have control over your thoughts. When negative thoughts surface, say thank you for sharing and quickly refocus on the positive affirmations. You have to go in and be positive. Think positive, manifest positive. What you want, you have to think positively regarding it. What you want, I am going to get it, and this is what I want. Rather than focusing on negative thoughts, focus on your positive thinking and positive manifestation. Okay, we'll see what is. These are my cards. Let's see what is the divine telling you. Little more advice from higher self. Okay, the first card out is, my body is healthy, my mind is brilliant and my soul is tranquil. You are abundant. Know your worth and move forward. Just don't be stuck in this situation. Know your worth and move forward. Yes. Don't focus on the negative. Don't focus on what's not been done. Focus on what can be done and move forward. The next card is, my thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. This is the affirmations you have to tell yourself every day. You have to tell yourself that you are enough. You yourself are enough. You don't require anyone else to fulfill or complete you. You have to move forward, work on yourself. Maybe you have to focus on your work more than focusing on your relationship right now. Focus on yourself. You will get your answers eventually. Focus on yourself. Focus on the positivity, not the negativity. Okay, now we'll go take few alphabets and zodiac signs, alphabets and numerics. Let's see what are the alphabets for you. You have numbers, and we'll take 3 zodiac signs. Okay. The alphabets here are M, S, G. I hope you can see. We have an N, we have an R, we have D, J, W, again one more D, E, K, J and Z. These are the alphabets for you. I hope you can see them. Yeah. Okay, we're moving forward towards the numbers. They can be your date of birth, day you have met, any significant date, which 7. We have 37777. You must be seeing more 777s. This is a divine number. Divine is with you. You don't have to worry. We have 111. 3, 3, 0, 6 and 8. So these are the numbers, and we have the zodiac signs here. One is Leo, okay, Capricorn, okay, and here we have Sagittarius. These are the zodiac signs of your person, of you. They must be there in their birth chart, sun, moon and rising. It can be anything, any of them. Okay, this is the reading, group 1. I'll see you in next reading. Till then, bye bye. Welcome group 2. Let's start with your reading. We'll look into your situation, past, present and future. What is the situation right now for group 2 people? Please guide me through situation for group 2 people. Okay, we have the first card, 2 of Pentacles. All right, for group 2 people. Okay, 4 of Cups. The next card is 4 of Pentacles. Then we have the World. We have the Queen of Swords, the 9 of Pentacles, the Hangman and the Hierophant. Okay. So what I can see from here is your situation. You are feeling stuck in a situation. You don't want to give in to it. You are holding back. Though you have feelings for the person you are seeing this reading for. This is a love situation, but you are taking on a front where you are showing them that you are abundant and full, and because of their indecision you are not going to get affected. Though you are getting affected, but you are showing them that you are not going to get affected because of their indecision. They are in a indecision mode. They are not taking a decision regarding you, or whether they want to be with you or not. They're holding their place, they're holding their situation, but they do want to move forward. They want to marry you. and they want to come clear with you. The Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords. Yes, they were in a fix before, but now they want to come clear. They want to make things clear. They are in their Queen of Swords mode. You are very independent. You are not waiting for them. You are showing you are keeping a front them for them. You're showing that I am very independent. I don't want anyone. I don't know why you are doing this. Let's clarify about this situation. You are very strong. They know this. Okay. So we have Two of Pentacles clarified by Two of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles clarifying the Four of Cups. Then we have the King of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Star, Eight of Wands, King of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, this situation definitely is coming to a closure. I think in the month of October or November, you are going to get a closure regarding this situation. Wheel of Fortune, the World, and the Hierophant. This situation definitely is showing me that two people are moving towards calmer waters. You are going to get answers regarding this situation. King of Swords, very clear communication. The Hangman is clarified by King of Swords. They know what they want. They have no doubt about it. Though they are in a Two of Pentacles mode, but they know what they want and they are coming clear out of their Hangman mode. Still, this is very difficult for you. You are defending your position. There are Eight of Wands for the Nine of Pentacles. You are still keeping up a front, defending yourself. You are a very strong person, I guess. You are a very strong person. You don't want to show them, but you have lot of love for them, no doubt. You are Four of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. I think you are very stubborn in this case, but yes, they like this about you. They surely like this about you, that you know your worth and they have to work for it. They know it. The Wheel of Fortune and the Hierophant is giving answers for you, but it might take a little time for them to come towards you, but they are coming with a clear clarity. You are their star. You are their wish fulfillment. They know what you're worth. They know your worth and they are coming. The indecision is going to end with the Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune. Sorry, the World and the Wheel of Fortune. The cycle is getting a closure and you people are getting answers now. Okay, now we'll see the advice for you regarding your situation. Okay, for group 2 people, advice for group 2 people regarding their situation. We have Impression. You are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts of love. You are ready. You are standing tall in yourself. You are very strong and they know it. And you know your worth. You are very strong. This is clearly showing that. The next card is Virtue. You acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes that encourage others to grow. You are a very strong person and you know it. You might be thinking that you are very arrogant. They might be looking at you as a very arrogant person, but no. They know your worth. They know how strong you are, and if you are doubtful about your situation, that they are thinking you are a stubborn person, no, they know it. You are not stubborn, you know what you want and you are going for it. And you are not settling for anything less. They know it. Very beautiful reading and very strong. Whoever is listening to group 2 people, you actually are very strong. And this person loves you for that. Okay? Action speaks loudly. Express your love through actions. Maybe you are guided to express yourself. Show a little bit, not to be very stern on yourself, towards yourself and towards them. I think spirits are guiding you to be a little on the softer side. Maybe show a little bit that yes, you are looking forward to this connection with them. You are not totally ignoring it. You acknowledge that they love you and you want to move forward with that. Maybe you have to message them or something. I think you will be knowing what to do exactly, group 2 people, to show them not to be very stern, very not to guide yourself. No, just don't defend too much of yourself. Give a little opening space for them. Okay? Act as if your partner is here. Whether you have someone in your life or not, act as if they are with you, so you will always consider them. Okay? This is again one second advice for you. Act as if your partner is here. This is also a manifestation card. It's as if you are living together, you are going out together, you're doing whatever fun stuff you used to do, you are doing everything with them. So this is just not exactly telling them, but just being with them in your subconscious and feeling that this connection is going forward. Okay, this is the guide. Okay, we'll see what is to surrender. What are the spirits, guides and goddesses telling you to surrender? Let's see. Okay, the first card out is surrender comparison with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness and power. Maybe you're comparing yourself with others. Maybe you're acting strong and strange and aloof because of this comparison, that someone is doing this, I should do this. No. You have to surrender to comparison to others. Your story is different than others. You have a different life path to follow. Okay? Surrender to passion. I think this is a very accurate reading. Surrender to passion. If you are holding back passion, just surrender it. Here it is. Here act as if you are with your partner. I think you have to give them a little bit of hint that you are interested and you are ready to be with them. If you are thinking and looking at this reading right now, and if this is resonating with you, so you know exactly where you are, what you are holding back and how much you should give in to this person so that he or she can come forward. Get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people or activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. Let it flow, whatever is your passion. If work is your passion, go towards it. If your relationship is very important for you and you really want to move forward with it, go for it. Okay, now we'll see few more cards from my own. This is my own card. See what is the message from the divine. Okay, first card, 2 cards are already out. The most courageous decision that you can make each day is to be in a good mood. Be in a good mood. Love yourself. Affirm yourself that whatever is happening for good. Whatever has happened is also was for good, for your good. The divine was looking into the situation and wanted you to be away from something so that you can get the best in future. Okay, the next is new psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Exactly the reading, what the reading is saying. Whatever is done or happening in your life is to change your view. regarding your situation and your world around you. Okay, group 2 people, very nice reading. Now we will look into the zodiac signs, numbers and alphabets. These are the alphabets. Okay, we'll say few numbers and we'll take 3 zodiacs. Okay, let's see what are the zodiacs. Here we have Aquarius, if you can see. Then we have Libra and we have Sag. So fire sign and air signs are basically here. Okay, now we'll see the numbers. They can be your date of birth, significant number in your life: 7, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 8, 3 and 2. Hope you can see. Okay, now we have the alphabets are W, E, G, M, N, U, R, again a G, no, this is a C, sorry, this is a G and this is a C. Okay, we have a B, H, one more H, R, 2 R's, K, another W and T. Okay, these must be your alphabets, names, and these are the zodiacs. I hope you can see them clearly. Okay, group 2, this was your reading. Thank you, and we'll see you in another reading. Bye bye. Welcome group 3 people. We'll start with your reading now. We'll start with looking into the situation. What is going on in your situation? What has happened till now? Let's see. We'll use Tarot Illuminati deck for reading. Okay, let's see. No cards are coming out. For group 2 reading, cards are flying out. For you, they don't want to talk. I think you people are not in communication. First card out. Yes, 4 of Swords. Not in communication, just keeping your peace. Taking a break. Okay. The second card, the Hermit. Very much taking a break. 4 of Wands. 5 of Pentacles. The Hangman. I don't do reversals, guys, so please bear with me. 6 of Cups, 3 of Cups and 3 of Pentacles. This reading is very beautiful. Yes, you are in a hermit mode. They are not talking to you, but you are feeling left out. Both of you are feeling left out. 6 of Cups, this is definitely a soulmate connection, past life connection maybe, or a childhood love. What is coming in future is lot of celebration, marriage maybe, and working together. Very beautiful reading. It's very positive. Let's see, try to clarify what is the delay for group 3 people. What is the Ace of Cups? Lot of love. They have lot of love for you. and this is pure love. Ace of Wands, passion coming towards you. This is a beautiful reading. Whoever this reading is for, they are okay. Eight of Wands. Again the Page of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords, the Page of Knight of Cups, and the Prince of the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. All cups and wands, a lot of passion. This is a very beautiful reading, guys. They just, Wheel of Fortune shows that things are turning into a very positive direction. You people are coming out of a situation, out of stagnation, out of being felt in the cold, left out. You people are coming out. This period is going to be very positive, as it is now. The coming period, the months, the rest of the September, October, November and December, this is a very good period coming forward, and the cards are showing exactly the same. You people are going to be celebrating. Maybe a marriage is involved. There is a little hiccups in this situation, feeling left out in the cold, not feeling the strength or the affection right now. But the Wheel of Fortune shows that yes, everything is turning into your favor. You are going to get what you are wishing for. The King of Swords is just coming out with clarity and determination, a lot of determination on their part coming towards you. All the three readings were very good, but this is the best reading out of all three. You are calling for celebration, working out together, doing things celebrating love. The Page of Cups and the Three of Cups showing you people are going to celebrate this, have lot of fun together. This is a long-term connection, and you people are going to be with each other forever. Okay, now we will see a few cards and advice for you. Group 3 people, very nice reading. I am feeling very positive after reading this. Okay, we have a flipper, I guess. We have two flippers. Okay, surrender, stubbornness. If you are tensed up or taking a rigid stand about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate with more lovingly with others and yourself. Maybe you are stubborn. You have to take it easy, give in to the situation. This is not a very difficult situation. Self-love. You realize that love of self is necessary to love another. This is advice for you. The card got mixed, but I'll take it as they are. You are advised to love yourself first. Okay. Okay, I'll take one more card from the Power of Activation cards. Power of Love activation cards. The card out is Integrity. You demonstrate the truth and honesty of your soul and manifest love with your every action. You have to keep yourself intact. Keep your integrity and demonstrate the truth and honesty of your soul. Okay. So we have one surrender card already. We'll take one more. This got mixed with the activation cards. First we will take the Whispers of Love now. Okay, too many cards. Draw 2 cards out. Embrace your emotions. Allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. Allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. Embrace your emotions. If you're hiding them, if you're controlling your emotions, just whatever comes to you, just embrace them. If they are telling you to move forward, talk to someone, loosen a little bit, show affection, whatever is there, focus on your intuition, what your intuition says, and let your emotions out a little bit. Express your thought, express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Maybe you are getting a gift or you are giving someone a gift. Express yourself. Embracing your emotions is expressing yourself. You have to express what you are not doing, or maybe you will get a gift as expression of love from your partner. Okay, we'll take one more surrender card, as we have already taken one, surrender to stubbornness. Okay, so surrender your fear of change. The universe is reminding you that you are cared for always. Whether you are afraid of the change in your job, your health or relationship, or if you are fearing age or death, repeat the affirmation, I have faith that all will be well. Maybe group 3 people, you are just, the fear is inside you. You are just fearing what will happen in future. You are just fearing it, and you are not loosening yourself, or you are not focusing on the positive. Maybe you're focusing on the negative thoughts more than what you should do. So you are guided to focus to surrender your fears. If you have doubts, fears in your mind, just take it easy, go with the flow. New psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. I think this group 1 also got this card. New psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Your own perspective is changing towards you. Either you want it or not, you are taking a serious step in changing your psychic. I think that I'm getting that vibe. I am superior to negative thoughts and low action. See, this is the advice as well as your affirmation, that I think you are taking these actions and you are just being positive regarding this. You want to show your emotions and you are conquering your fears. Whatever fears and doubts you have, you yourself are working, or you are asked to work towards them. Okay, group 3, we will take few new numbers. Alphabets and zodiacs. We'll take 3 zodiac signs. Okay. Oh, we have Scorpio and Virgo and Capricorn. Water and earth. 3. Okay, I hope you can see them clearly. Okay. The alphabets are G, K, K, F, I, A, T, M, U, K, B, O, one more T, F, H, M, and the last one is W. The numbers are, this can be your date of birth, significant numbers, year, 9. We have 3 9s here, 999, 6, 7, 3, 5, 4 and 7. I hope you can see clearly. These are the alphabets and numbers and zodiac signs for group 3 people. Okay, group 3, I'll see you in next reading. Till then, bye bye and take care.